What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Donna Clarkson. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did my self-introduction video for Native Camp using Canva and iMovie. All right, let's jump onto the computer.
Okay, we're going to start with Canva.com. I love Canva. I use Canva a lot. I use it for my social media, presentations, videos, and you can sign up for a free Canva account. Now I'm going to go scroll through my recent designs, and let's back up a little bit. As you can see, these little icons here will lead you to whatever you want to do in Canva. But for today's video, I'm going to go into my recent design to show you what I did with my intro video. So if you're new to Canva, on the left-hand side, you're going to see the template, elements, uploads. I can click on it. We're now on templates. Elements, uploads, text, background, Pixabay, great pictures on Pixabay. So for this video, I am going to primarily stay on templates and elements and text. All right, the first thing on my video was the certify sign. I went to elements and all of these pictures came up. You can filter it by photos, graphics, videos, audio, but I chose the first one here. I'm going to click on that. Okay, and now you can customize it. So I went up to the color. I wanted to change it to the navy. So you can choose the navy. If you want a color that they don't have, you can click the plus sign and let's say bright green, and you can move it around and pick the color that you like. Okay, so for what I did, I just went ahead and used the navy. Let's use the navy. And that's how I did the certified to go into my video. The next thing on my video was a treasure box. So you go back to elements and you type treasure box. I already typed it before, so I'm just going to pull that up. And you can use any treasure box you want. They have a plethora of treasure box to choose from. I chose this one right here. And what you want to do is I like to put one element on each page. You go back and delete that. You can put it anywhere on the page because we're going to download it and add it to the video in iMovie. So I like to keep each one separate. Okay. So now I'm going to do the Native Camp logo. They don't have it on Canva, so I'm going to step out and Google it. Native Camp logo. Okay, you click on images and you choose whichever one you want. So I'm going to go with this one. I like the little curved lines. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to right click and save the image. Okay, so now we're going back into Canva. Okay, now I'm going to upload the image. Go to upload, click upload media. Look for your image. Mine was in the blue. And open it up. You can click on it. You don't have to wait for it to finish. And there is my image. If you want to see if this image has a transparent background, you can click on this, change the color, and see, and it does. It has a transparent background. But if it didn't have a transparent background, Canva, let me change this back to white. Canva has a remove background feature. So you just edit the image. And right here, background remover. So you can remove the background on any image that you have. All right, so let's go back into elements. And now I have my logo for Native Camp. So let's continue. Okay, so this is the next one on my video. It is a little sign that says pronunciation with the number 1. So for this, I actually went to templates, and you just scroll down and see if there's anything that catches your eye. So I found this right here. This is what so went ahead and clicked on that. I like the shapes they have here, so I wanted to use this as. So I went ahead and clicked on it. I actually copied it, made a new page. I like to make sure it's white. And then I pasted it. There you go. So now you can use it however you like. Okay, so now I want to add text to it. I'm going to go to the left side, choose text, type whatever you want, grammar, fluency. Okay, adjust it. And I'm actually going to change the color. So you go to the text color box here, choose whichever color you want. Next, you want to make it bold. Boom. Nope, no boom. Highlight it. Bold. There you go. And I'm going to add the number to it. Go back to text, choose the smaller one, put the number 1, move that over. Okay, I'm actually going to change the font to this Lexan Giga. Yeah, that's the one I use. And you can make it bigger by adjusting the size. You can make it bigger by adjusting it up here with the plus sign, or you can drag it and make it bigger. And there you go. This is how I made that little sign to put in my video. Okay, so let me create a new page. You can go here, add a page, delete, duplicate the page. So I'm going to go ahead and add a page. All right, so now I forgot that I did the state of Florida image. So I'm going to go back to Elements, and I'm just going to type in Florida, state of Florida. And let's see what Paul put. Okay. All right, and this pops up. So I chose this one. You can choose any one you want and wherever you're from. So that's how I did that one. I want to make sure that I showed you guys how I did that image. All right, so the next images are pretty much the same. So I added this one here by going into, I think, learning, typing in learning, and seeing what popped up, what images popped up. And you can go through and see which ones you like. Boom, that's the one that I used right there. And I also want to say that my class was super duper fun. So I typed super fun. Okay, and there is the super duper fun that I chose. So it actually, oh, I'm glad that I did that. Okay, so let's back out. So let's create a new page. When you click on it, it is smaller. So what I did was just made it bigger. Just do the corners. And I made it super big so it can fill the page. Boop. Boom. There you go. So that's how I did that one. And the last ones that I did were my hobbies, things I like to do, reading, cooking, same thing. Go back to Elements, and I typed in reading, and different pictures popped up. I wanted a photo, so I went to photos, look through, and choose whichever one you want. This picture here. But you can go to graphics, and if you want something more graphic-y, then you can go ahead and look through those. The next one was just traveling. It's actually a video. Let's see if it plays. And so what I did with that one is I just typed in traveling. Okay, you can go through these. And I think I did a video. Yeah, I did a video and I found it in one of these. And then the last one, my hobby was cooking. Yeah. So I went ahead and just typed cooking. And then a lot of things popped up. I just scrolled. Okay, if you want a video, which is what I use, you can just click on videos and you can look at, just put your cursor on there and you can see this is the one that I actually chose, which was 22 seconds long. I didn't need that much, but I just made it bigger. Just press play and it shows you. So cool. All right, so now let's download the pictures first. Okay, so I'm going to click download. And as you can see, the last thing that we did was an MP4 video. So I'm going to change that because I just want to download the pictures. So I'm going to click PNG. And I want a transparent background. So I don't want the white to come out behind the little image that I have here. So I'm going to choose transparent background. And I'm going to select which pages I want. And download. Save it to your computer. Okay, and then now we're going to download the videos. So you choose the MP4 video, make sure that unclick all the pages, don't want all the pages. You just want to choose the ones that you want. That is page 14 and 15. Okay, and click download. Okay, so now let's go on to iMovie. Okay, so now we're in iMovie. Now we want to bring in the images that we just did in Canva and the video. So I chose a clip of my intro video that I already created, and I'm going to add the images. So let's go into our documents. Okay, here are my intro images. And I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop all of them into iMovie. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the videos. Okay, so now we have them all in iMovie. Now what I want to do is I'm going to start with the certified one, and I'm going to go ahead and put it over the area of the video that I want it to show up in. I'm just going to trim that a little bit. Okay, so now if I play this part, let me go back. I'll play a little bit of it. You're going to see it on top of my face. I don't want to do that. So make sure I highlight it. Go up here to video overlay settings. Instead of cutaway, choose picture in picture. And now I can move it anywhere. I can make it bigger, make it smaller. Go ahead and do it like that. And then you can click anywhere on iMovie to let it set. Okay, perfect. So now the next one is the treasure box. And you do the same thing. Move it. Okay, the other ones are the same process. Now I'm going to show you how I did this one here, the learning. I actually put it in between the video because I wanted to show the whole picture. I didn't need to overlay it over my video. So you just click on that, and if you don't want it to kind of zoom in and out, you can fit it. So let's go here to the cropping, and instead of Ken Burns, that's that zooming thing, you go to fit. And now let's play it so you can see what it looks like, and it fits to the screen. All right, so the video were the next ones that I did. Okay, same thing, I didn't overlay it, I just put it in between my video, and then you can see it. Play it. There you go. If you wanted to overlay it, you can do the same thing that we did before. Be shorten it. Okay, make sure you click on it, go back to the overlay. You can choose the split screen, or it's right next to you, picture in picture. All right, and let's see what it looks like. There it is, it's playing. I also made this in Canva. Let me play it so you can see what it looks like. Learn more with Teacher Donna. You can do this in Canva. I'm going to put another video of how I started doing things with Canva in the description box so that you can see how you're able to do something like this in Canva. And then you just save that file up here.
Here is Native Camp's recommended format for your introduction video.
Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how I added subtitles to the video. I went to Capwing, so I'm going to go and open that up. Okay. And you can create a new project. As you can see, this was my video that I did. I didn't pay anything for it. I just created a new project, uploaded it, and just followed the steps. Right? And here is my finished video. Learning is a treasure that will follow you everywhere. Hello, my name is Teacher Donna. Welcome to Native Camp. I am from the state of Florida in the United States of America. I am a certified English teacher who enjoys teaching children, teenagers, and adults. I am patient, passionate, and optimistic. I enjoy reading, traveling, hiking, and cooking. I help hundreds of students achieve their goals of reading, speaking, and writing in English. In my class, you will improve your pronunciation, grammar fluency, and conversational skills. So what are you waiting for? Book my class today so that we can learn and have fun at the same time. I hope to see you in my class so I can help you become the best English communicator. Bye.
So that was my introduction video. Like I mentioned before, you can use this method to do a video for any other company. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. All right, thank you so much for continuing to rock with me. Bye.